permanent. Democrats spent the last 2 years putting government in charge of health care, the financial sector, car companies, insurance companies, student loans, you name it. Now they want the tax hike to pay for it all. Americans asked the administration to fix the sink, and they remodeled the house instead. And now they're sending us the bill. That was the plan all along: force these massive programs through, drive up the debt, call it a crisis, then demand that people pay their fair share to dig us out. It starts with small business owners, but I assure you it won't stop there. Because if Democrats spend this much money in the middle of a recession, they'll borrow and spend even more once we're out of it. The president admitted as much just last week on national television when he said that the tax hike he's asking for won't be used to pay for any of the things he's already done. He'll use the money from these tax hikes to spend on other things, on, quote, better things, end quote, as he put it. Well, we've seen the so-called better things Democrats want to spend tax money on. A stimulus bill that's funding research on interpretive dance and monkeys, a health care bill that cut Medicare and increased premiums, and a financial regulatory bill that hires more of the same kind of Washington bureaucrats who missed the last crisis. Americans, Mr. President, have had it. They're tired of Democratic leaders in Washington pursuing the same government-driven programs that have done nothing but add to the debt and the burden of government. We can't allow this administration to demand that small business owners in this country pay for its own fiscal recklessness. And that's why I'm introducing legislation today that ensures that no one in this country will pay higher income taxes next year than they are right now. We can't let the people who've been hit the hardest by this recession and who need to create the jobs that will get us out of it foot the bill for the Democrats' 2-year adventure in expanded government.